Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you how you can deploy a small Node.js application in render.com. So render.com is a live deployment site where you can deploy your project, Node.js project, any specific programming language project like Java project, any project, and it will provide you a live link like live deployment link or a live domain to deploy your project. There are so many subscription model inside render.com. So one of them is the free module, and apart from that we have also subscription based module. But in this video I'll be going one free module and also with a small Node.js application just to show you how you can deploy your project. And one more thing, guys, I have already made two videos, one after another consecutively for deploying your Node.js application in Docker, one with Node.js and one with TypeScript and Node.js. Please check out those video. You will be having a better understanding of how you can deploy your Node.js project in render.com, right? Now, for deploying your project in render.com, what you have to do, you have to create one repository at first. This is my Syntax Hub local repository. So I'll be creating one local repo here at first. Let's name it as render node 11. Okay, and it's a public repo. So it has given me this link, GitHub link, and from there I will be doing git clone. As you have seen that in my command prompt already till desktop my path is set. Path is already set. Now I'll be cloning this project from the GitHub link, and now we are ready to make our project. So now we have to go inside this folder, right? Now my git is already initialized inside this directory. Now I will write some lines of code and I will deploy my Node.js project in render.com, right? So like I have already made so many basic Node.js projects, so in the coding part I will not go that much, just only making one simple application, and the rest code I will just paste. Let's see. I will do at first npm init. As you already know, if you check out my previous video, app.js, it's done. And so we have to take one app.js file and few lines of code which I already take in my previous videos. Just I will be doing copy and paste over here, and just install some basic npm like express.env. This much is enough to deploy my small Node.js code, right? So in package.json you see .env and express is now added as a dependency inside the project, right? Now in the start, what we will do, I will only add one line of code like node app.js, right? And I will start to run my code npm run start. So my code is running in 2900. One more thing I forgot to add, like I need some env. So for that I already installed .env. Now I will create one .env file. Here I'll be mentioning the port as 3000. Sorry, as I'm taking my port as 3900, I will also mention this one, and also already put the condition in view port and the port. Okay, so now my code is now say, okay, one more thing, I have to add one git ignore file. So just to avoid node modules to deploy in GitHub, so I'll be doing node modules. So my Node.js project is already. Now what we have to do, so now I will be doing one thing, I will check my branch. Okay, I think this is on my main branch currently because okay, before that let's go to the render.com. So here UI of render.com. So here you can see in the, if I click on the add new section, Here you can see so many things like project, static site, web service, private services, PostgreSQL. Also, you can deploy your PostgreSQL database if you have local PostgreSQL DB, that also you can deploy. But in this video, I'll be going for the web service. So inside the web service, uh, like you see, there is one option called as public Git repository. So here I have to paste my public Git repository. I'll be taking this link. Like as you see, like I have already created this repository. Now I'll be copying this repository link and pasting over here. Then I will be doing connect. So the moment I will do connect, it is taking some name. We can do render deploy, or also I can take the name which is already mentioned as render node 11. Okay, now programming language is node.js, branch is master branch. Okay, it is by default taking master branch because I have not created a new branch, so this is already there. This is already taking the region. Root directory, like if your project is developed in TypeScript, then you can mention source. But for now, it's not necessary. So build command, only one build command, that is npm install, just to install the node modules, and then this comment npm. This is very easy actually. Npm run start. The thing we used to do in our localhost project, the same thing we have to mention here. And you have to choose the free hobby projects as free subscription. It will not charge you not a single penny. Right after that, we have to mention the port, and I'll be mentioning the port as 3900. Or okay, I can mention some other port because with 3900 port I have already deployed one service, so I can also take 2700 and also mention the same port in my env as well. Instead of 3900 I can take the 3700. Okay, 3007. Okay, now it's done. So it's all set. Like I have choose the free subscription, npm run start, build command is npm install. This is already taking the uh, US West region, and then the branch is by default master, programming language Node, and we are all set. Now what we will do, we will be doing deploy web service. So our render configuration is done. Now if you check this branch, right, there it is written as main branch, right? Now what we have to do? So we have to do few things. At first, uh, we have to push our complete Node.js code into GitHub branch. Then we will do manual deploy. Now let's go to my Node.js code. Now here we have to do npm, sorry, um, git add dot, right? Then git commit -m added changes for deployment, and then git push. Done. So it's now in my main branch, right? This is also showing as branch as main. It is now deployed. Let's see, main branch, right? Now I'll be doing manual deploy latest comment. If it is failed, then you will see it is giving some error in the console log. And this is my deployment URL. It will all the changes will show in this URL. But let's complete the this deployment procedure at first. We have to wait for a few minutes. Uploading build. It will show you after that build successful. If the build is successful, yeah. So build is successful. Now it will go for the npm commands. It is deploying. App listen to the port 3700. So my project is live now. Now what we have to do, I'll be clicking this link which is already provided by render.com. You will see the changes. Yeah, it's now loading. Let's see. Once it is successfully deployed, it will show some message like this: code deployed, status 200, right? Let's see. Yeah, now you see your project is live. Your project is live only, right? Status 200, message, code deployed. So this is a small Node.js application. As you see, only one route. You just make it a little bit complicated. Do practice at home, make a big project and try to deploy in render.com. Maybe in next video I will make some big project on Node.js and we'll deploy on render.com. Then it will be more fun to learn, right? Because this is a very simple and basic project. We don't face any error or nothing. uh, yeah, so in this video till this only only wanted to show you, like if you have some college project or some resume ready project you want to make, and you have to deploy that project just to send that particular URL to your client, then you can easily go to the render.com website, and from there you can deploy your Node.js app. It's very easy and very simple. Also, they are providing you the free subscription module. So with the free subscription module, small size of Node.js application, you easily be able to deploy, right? So that is the reason, that is my main purpose to make this video. I hope that this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much.